Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and gaming gear. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best split pad fit for your Nintendo Switch. The HORI Nintendo Switch Split Pad Compact in this stunning light gray and yellow design. If you're a handheld gaming enthusiast, you're going to love what this controller has to offer. First, let's talk about the design. The light gray and yellow color scheme is sleek and fresh, giving your Switch setup a fun, yet stylish look. But it's not just about aesthetics. The ergonomic design of the Split Pad Compact is what truly sets it apart. If you've ever felt cramped or uncomfortable using the standard Joy-Con controllers in handheld mode, this is the solution. The ergonomic grips are built for long-lasting comfort, especially if you're gaming for hours on end. The size of the controller is compact, yet it feels solid in your hands, providing a full-size experience despite its smaller form factor. Now, let's get into the functionality. The Split Pad Compact comes with all the features that you'd expect from a premium gaming controller. It includes full-size analog sticks that are smooth and responsive, making control in action-heavy games a breeze. The D-pad is another highlight, providing a great tactile feel for 2D platformers or any game that requires precision input. Additionally, the programmable rear triggers are a fantastic addition for customizations, especially if you like to assign different functions to these buttons for quick access during gameplay. For those of you who like to push the limits of your controller, the turbo function is here to save the day. Whether you're spamming buttons or need a little extra firepower, you can assign rapid button presses at intervals of 5, 12, or 20 presses per second. There's even a turbo hold mode, which lets you hold down a button to activate turbo without the need to constantly press. This makes it perfect for fighting games, shooters, or anything else where speed and precision are key. One of the best aspects of this controller is its compatibility with both the Nintendo Switch and the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So whether you're gaming on the go or docked at home, this Split Pad Compact is a perfect fit. Plus, since it's officially licensed by Nintendo, you can trust that it's built with quality and durability in mind. If you're someone who enjoys customizing your gaming experience, the Split Pad Compact has you covered. With the ability to assign multiple functions to its rear triggers and other buttons, you can adapt it to fit your personal playstyle. Whether it's rapid fire or a quick dodge, having these options at your fingertips gives you a serious edge in any game. Before we wrap up, let's talk about portability. The compact design doesn't just look good, it's also practical for travel. You can easily slip this controller into your bag along with your Switch, making it the ideal accessory for those who game on the go. If you're looking to add a little extra protection, there's even a matching carrying case available, making it easy to keep your controller safe and secure. So, is the HORI Nintendo Switch Split Pad Compact worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about handheld gaming and want a controller that's comfortable, responsive, and packed with features, this is the one you should get. With its ergonomic design, turbo functionality, programmable rear triggers, and full-size analog sticks, it takes your Switch gaming to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.